Hello everyone. Very good afternoon, all of you. Yes, am I audible? Hello, good afternoon, all of you. Am I audible? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Let's start new unit, fifth unit, that is the normalizations. Okay. In last session, we have covered the unit 4 last topic. Okay. Now let's start the new unit, new chapter, that is the normalization. Any idea what is the normalization? Anyone? Yes. Any idea? What do you mean by normalization? Yes. Normalization means there is a word we know that normal means for something we are going to do normal form in the form of normal. So what's that? So we are learning the DBMS and we are each and every day dealing with the tables. That means we are creating the tables in the normal forms. मग मॅम आता पण आपण जे tables create करत होतो, these are the abnormal. No, it's not like that. Okay. As we are in the learning modes, we are dealing with the normal, very small kind of tables. Huh? But suppose there are tables or database which include the thousands of records. It may update day by day. So sometimes, if it is not in normal forms, then it may create the redundancy. Redundancy, inconsistency in our database. That's why normalization is the important things. Okay. The unit name is the normalization. In that, we are learning these points. This is the overview. That is the features of the good relation designs. Then atomic domains, first normal form, keys, and functional dependencies. Second normal form. Then BCNF, that is the bytecode normal form. Third normal form, and functional dependency theory. All these topics we will cover in the normalizations. So let's start with the concept of the normalizations. Yes, normalization आहे. जस्ट फनी वे मी सांगायचं म्हणून की आपल्याला टेबल्सला नॉर्मल करायचंय. म्हणजे कसं करायचंय तर वी हॅव टू अप्लाय द रूल्स. सी स्मॉल लेवल ऑर्गनायझेशन आहेत किंवा छोटे लेवलचा डेटाबेस आहे तर इट्स ओके. बट वेन वी आर डीलिंग विथ द बिग organization, big organizations, it database also huge in formats, so we have to apply the rules to maintain the consistency in the database as well as to avoid the redundancy. Which are those we will learn. What do you mean by redundancy? What do you mean by consistency? So normalization is the process of organizing data in a database. We are organizing the data. This includes the creating a tables and establish the relationship between those tables according to rules designed both to protect the data and to make the database more flexible by eliminating the redundancy and inconsistent dependency. See, normalization is the very important topic in when you are learning the DBMS, huh? And most of the time when there is a competitive examinations is over there, technical rounds are there, then they definitely will ask you the concept of the normalization as well as the keys concept. This is the one of the favorite and important part of the DBMS. So why it's needed? Redundancy means what? Inconsistency means what? जेव्हा आपण मोठ्या प्रमाणात जेव्हा डेटा रेकॉर्ड असतो तर तेव्हा पॉसिबिलिटी ही 100% असते की तिथे डुप्लिकेशन रेकॉर्ड्स असतात. काय होतं की एकच आपल्याच लॅपटॉपमध्ये बघा किंवा तुम्ही मोबाईल्समध्ये बघा की काय होतं एकच फाईल आहे पण आपण डिफरंट डिफरंट काइंड्सने एकदा स्क्रीनशॉट घेतोय, परत एकदा कॅमेऱ्यामधून घेतोय किंवा परत दुसऱ्याला ट्रान्सफर करतोय. यामुळे काय होतं की एकच फाईल आहे पण त्याच्या डुप्लिकेशन्स तयार होतात. That is nothing but the redundancy, having the same data but at different places. That is nothing but the data redundancy. फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही हेही सांगितलं की लॅपटॉप मध्ये तुमच्या स्वतःच्याच पीसी मध्ये वगैरे बघा की एकाच फोटोची कितीतरी कॉपीज तुम्हाला मिळतील. मीन्स व्हॉट, हॅव्हिंग द सेम डेटा विथ द डिफरंट प्लेसेस. म्हणजे तुम्ही कुठल्या ना कुठल्या कारणाने ते कॉपी पेस्ट करत गेलेला आहात. हा, तसा काही प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये कॉपी पेस्ट करण्यात, बट इफ इट इज इन ह्यूज अमाऊंट तर काय होईल की विनाकारण जे काय आहे डिस्क स्पेस ही वेस्टेज जाईल, ॲज वेल ॲज द जो पीसीचा परफॉर्मन्स आहे तो लो होईल ना. सो टू परफॉर्म the database very well in format and as well as to organize the data, we are applying the some rules to avoid the redundancy and to as well as to maintain the consistency. Okay, so the normalization is used to minimize the redundancy from the relation or a set of relations. टेबल मधले आणि नंबर ऑफ टेबल्स मधले आपल्याला रिडंडन्सी अवॉइड करण्यासाठी, कमी करण्यासाठी, आपण कम्प्लिटली अवॉइड नाही करू शकत समटाइम, ती कमी तरी करू शकतो. तर ते कमी करण्यासाठी आपण नॉर्मलायझेशन यूज करतो. अँड नॉर्मलायझेशन मीन्स व्हॉट, वी आर अप्लाइंग सम काइंड ऑफ रूल्स ऑन अवर रिलेशन और सेट ऑफ रिलेशन्स. कन्सेप्ट होप सो तुम्हाला इथे समजत असेल व्हॉट इज नॉर्मलायझेशन, कारण की completely new concept आहे तुमच्यासाठी. It is also used to eliminate the undesirable characteristics like insertion, update, as well as the deletion anomalies. म्हणजे sometimes sir, if there is a huge amount of redundancy in our relation set, then it may creates the insertion anomalies, update anomalies, as well as the deletion anomalies. Means it creates some kind of problems, which are though we will learn these also. So in normalization, what we are doing in normalizations, we are divide the larger table into a smaller table and links them using the relationship. रिडंडन्सी आपल्याला कमी करायची आहे आणि कन्सिस्टन्सी मेंटेन करायची. मीन्स कन्सिस्टन्सी मीन्स व्हॉट, सपोज एका टेबल मधला रेकॉर्ड्स आपण अपडेट करत असू तर त्याच्या ज्या रिप्लिकाज आहेत, डुप्लिकेशन्स कॉपी आहेत, तर तिथे पण त्या अपडेट झाल्या पाहिजेत. दॅट मीन्स वी आर मेंटेनिंग द कन्सिस्टन्सी इन अवर डेटाबेस. सपोज बँकिंग रिलेटेड डेटाबेस आहे, एका ब्रांच मधल्या एका एम्प्लॉईचा डेटा, कस्टमरचा डेटा जर अपडेट झाला आहे त्यांनी विथड्रॉ केल्यानंतर, तर अदर ब्रांचेस मधले पण जे त्याचे आहेत रेकॉर्ड्स, तर तिथे पण ती जो अपडेटेड रेकॉर्ड आहे तो अपडेट झाला पाहिजे. लाईक दॅट वी आर मेंटेनिंग द कन्सिस्टन्सी. अदरवाइज if there is a data within a database redundancy as well as the inconsistency present, then it's a nightmare for the DBA. Nightmare. Okay, it's a black dream. So To eliminate the insertion, update, as well as the deletion anomalies, we are using the normalizations, and by applying the normalizations, we divide the larger tables into the smaller table and links them using the relationships. Okay. Are you getting, students? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So suppose if our database design is not perfect, it may contain anomalies which are like to bad dream for any database administrators. Yeah. So when if there is an anomalies, update, deletion, and insert, then it is very hectic to handle that database to the DBA. So what is the update anomaly? Let's see. If data items are scattered, they are spread each and anywhere in the database and are not linked to each other properly, then it could lead a strange situation. तुमचा डेटा जो आहे तो काय आहे, स्कॅटर्ड आहे, आणि त्यामधला जो स्कॅटर्ड डेटा आहे, दे आर नॉट लिंक्ड to each other. Tables, if they are linked, then we can update it very well, but it's not linked as well as the scattered, then it creates the problem. For example, when we try to update one data item having its copies scattered over several places, a few instances get updated properly. एक डेटा आहे, रेकॉर्ड्स आहेत, त्याच्या n number of आपण कॉपीज क्रिएट केलेल्या आहेत, पण some copies or few copies are connected and few are not connected. Then while we are updating and while we are manipulating that records, then whatever the copies are connected with each other, they may get updated, but others are remain as it is and it keeps the old values in that. So such instance leaves the database in inconsistent state. समजते का अपडेट अनोमलीज? थोडे नवीन कन्सेप्ट आहेत त्यामुळे मी विचारत आहे, नसेल समजत तर मी रिपीट करेन, but please clear these concept here only. Okay. Then deletion anomalies. Deletion anomalies means we are there is a problem while we are deleting the records. We try to delete a record, but parts of it was left undeleted because unawareness of the data is also saved somewhere else. सेम आहे ना, अपडेट करताना जर आपण अपडेट केलं तर सगळ्या ज्याच्या ज्या रिप्लिकाज आहेत, डुप्लिकेट कॉपीज, त्यामध्ये सगळ्यांमध्ये व्हायला पाहिजे. सायमल्टेनियसली जेव्हा आपण एखादं रेकॉर्ड डिलीट करतो तर त्याच्या जे रिप्लिकाज आहेत, डुप्लिकेशन आहेत कॉपीज मध्ये, तर त्या सुद्धा डिलीट व्हायला पाहिजे लाईक दॅट, नाहीतर परत ओल्ड व्हॅल्यूज राहतील. सो insert anomalies, we try to insert in a record that does not exist at all. Means आपण असा रेकॉर्ड इन्सर्ट करायला प्रयत्न करते की ज्याचा रेफरन्स कुठेच नाहीये. दॅट इज नथिंग बट द insert anomalies. Okay. So these are some kind of anomalies, and if these are present in our database, it may creates a big problems to maintain the data. Okay. If you want to note it down, the concept, please note down. Here the first slide is the normalizations. In that, what is normalization, purpose of the normalizations, then ठीक है. Okay. So normalizations are nothing but that there are few rules for a database. Each rule is called a normal form. Normalizations means what? There are few rules of the database normalizations. If you want to do the normalizations, apply the normal, that means we are applying the few kind of rules to our tables. And each rule is called a normal form. If there are the different kinds of normal form, first normal form, second normal form, the third normal form, and as well as the BCNF, that is the byte code normal form. If the first rule is observed in the database, we will learn these rules too. If you are applying the first kind of rule, first rule is in our database, then it is said as a first normal form. If the first three rules are observed, the database and is considered to be a third normal form. Okay. Although other levels of the normalization are possible, third normal form is the considered as the highest level of necessary for the most applications. See, still the researches are going on from after the third, fourth, fifth, sixth. But most of the organizations will apply up to third normal form. Still the research are going on the up to fifth, sixth normal form. But up to three normal form, most of the organizations applying the rules to normalize their data. Okay. आणि पहिला जो आपण टेबल फॉर नॉर्मल फॉर्म अप्लाय करतो, that is the first normal form. When we are applying the second normal form, rule of second normal form, at that time it should first fulfill the rules of the first normal form. Then and then we can apply the second NF on that database. Suppose we want to apply the 3NF to our database, that means first our database should fulfill with the 2NF. Okay, like that. Note down this one. Is there any doubt in normalization concept?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see the feature of the good relational designs. As we all know, the relational model, that is the nothing but the table. So which are the features of good relation designs? How to design that one? Relation is nothing but the tables. Ma'am, rows and columns तर असतात आणि values तर add करायचे असतात. It's not that much easy when you are going dealings with the complex data. You have to maintain the relations between the two tables, as well as you have to avoid the redundancy. You have to maintain the consistency, as well as the transactions. Okay. So without good database design, the database is likely unsatisfactory. आपण डेटाबेस हा कन्सेप्ट याच्यासाठी झालाय की यू हॅव टू ऑर्गनाइज द डेटा इन व्हेरी वेल फॉर्मॅट as well as you have to maintain that one. A good database design must be implemented in such a way that the queries are written in the simple and easier manner. A good database design doesn't have data redundancy. This is the most important features. Data redundancy refers to a duplication of the data. We have to avoid or minimize the redundancy. The accuracy must be good enough after the implementation of the good database design. Okay. These are the some features of a good relational design. Okay. So these are the few significance of the database design. First one is the consistency. Consistency refers, as we just discussed now, that is the consistency refers the uniformity. A database design helps data to be stored which is relevant and required. It should be updated one. It is one important feature in the database design. Okay. Now the cascading. Consider the parent and child record. The data present in the child records is allowed if the only if the data present in the parent record. This prevents the data repetitions. See the cascading when we are referring foreign key. When we are applying the foreign key, then there is a one column which is the primary key, and there is another table in that it's work as a foreign key. Then the primary key table as a parent table work as a parent and other work as a child. So the data present in the child record, that is the reference table, allowed if the only if data is present in the parent record. This prevents the data repetitions. Okay, that is nothing but the cascading. Then the redundancy. It is a duplication or repetitions of the data. It makes the database more complex if there is redundancy is present, and takes up the storage unnecessarily. And what's the solution of for this redundancy to avoid the redundancy? That is the normalization, as well as it reduces the size of the database. So मग आपण रिडंडन्सी अवॉइड करण्यासाठी काय करतो, जो मोठा आपला एकदम टेबल आहे त्याचे छोट्या छोट्या पार्ट्स मध्ये टेबल्स मध्ये डिवाइड करतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये रिलेशन्स क्रिएट करतो. ते कसं करणार आहे, कसे आपण नॉर्म्स अप्लाय करणार आहोत हे आपण बघणारच आहोत नॉर्मलायझेशनच्या कन्सेप्टच्या अंडर, त्याचे ज्या टाइप्स आहेत त्याच्यावर. ओके. देन द क्वेरीज. A database design is said to be a good if the queries are simple and execution is faster. Okay. As well as the performance, the database design is credited if the database design is good enough. There's a performance speed proper असेल तर yeah, it's a good database design. As well as the maintenance, the most important feature of the good database design, if it is a well-designed database and it can be maintained well, otherwise it might lead to be many problems. All these parts comes under the theory, but which are the most important points? Okay, Please remember these points as well as the meaning, because your papers are now offline theory. Okay. Just list out these points. Okay, let's come to the new point, that is the atomic domains. Yes, we all know that is what do you mean by domain. Domain is nothing but the columns present in the tables. Hmm? So what is atomic domain? For the relational model, it is requirement that each part of the tuple be a atomic. Hmm? The atomic is a consequence is that each value in the tuple must be a some basic type like a string or an integer. Hmm? And for elementary type of atomic, it cannot be broken into more pieces. Yes, while we are declaring the domains, while we are creating the tables, we should mention the basic types, some basic types. It may be a string, it may be an integers. And according to that, each and every domain should include these kind of value in that only. And in the elementary type of atomic, that means the value which we are including in that domain, it should not be broken into a more pieces. Means what? Suppose a student record ahe. Student records includes the student ID, name, phone number. Okay, ID, name, phone numbers. So त्यामध्ये जर सपोज मी म्हटलं तर ID should be include one value, that is integer. Name should be a string. Phone number should be a integer, like that. But if you consider phone number of a specific particular one student may have one, two, or sometimes three. Three. So that means what? It one field may takes number of values. एका फील्ड मध्ये काय आहेत, नंबर ऑफ व्हॅल्यूज आहेत. त्यामुळे काय होतं की we can break down these value. फोन नंबरच्या व्हॅल्यूज ब्रेक डाउन होऊ शकतात ना, व्हॅल्यू 1, व्हॅल्यू 2, व्हॅल्यू 3. सो दॅट फील्ड does not contain the atomic one. Atomic means what? The value should not be divided, or it cannot be broken into more pieces. Okay. A domain is the original set of atomic values used to model data. And atomic value, we mean that each value in the domain is indivisible. Indivisible as far as the relation model is concerned. जर तुम्ही स्टुडंट रेकॉर्ड घेतला तर त्यामधल्या ज्या फोन नंबरची व्हॅल्यू आहे दॅट इज द डिव्हिजिबल, कारण की ऑप्शन्स आहेत ना तिथे वेगवेगळे. बट इफ यू वॉन्ट टू कन्वर्ट युअर table into atomic domains, each and every domain should be atomic, then that domain value should be indivisible. ती डिवाइड नाही झाली पाहिजे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सपोज आता काही ऑप्शन्स असतील, म्हणजे द डोमेन ऑफ द मॅरिटल स्टेटस ऍट अ टाइम पॉसिबिलिटी काय येऊ शकते, इन जनरल मॅरिड, सिंगल और डिव्होर्स. तर सायमल्टेनियसली मॅरिड ॲज वेल एज सिंगल असं नाही येऊ शकणार, किंवा कुठल्याही दोन गोष्टींचं कॉम्बिनेशन नाही होऊ शकत. दॅट मीन्स इट कंटेन्स that domain is the atomic domains. Are you getting atomic concept? Atomic domains. Domains means column, and we are including the values in that column that should be atomic. That means indivisible. It cannot be broken into a more pieces. Okay. Then the domain of shift has to be set of all possible days. That is the Monday to Wednesday. The domain of salary of the set of all floating point numbers. It may be a greater than 0 and less than whatever the boundaries is given. That means एकाच्या अंडर एकच व्हॅल्यू घेणार. सॅलरी सुद्धा कधी दोन असू शकणार नाहीये एका एम्प्लॉईच्या एका ऑर्गनायझेशनच्या अंडर. The domain of a first name is the set of character string that represent name of the people. These are the few examples of the atomic domains. Okay. Are you getting the concept of the atomic domains, or may I repeat?
Getting, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see the database normal form concept. We just now learned the concept of the data normalizations. Normalizations means we are applying some kind of rule on our tables to minimize the redundancy as well as to maintain the consistency in our tables. That means we are whatever the whole table is provided, which is not in normal forms, we are dividing that tables into sub tables and maintaining the relationship in that. That means we are applying the normalizations. The theory of data normalization in MySQL Server is still being developed further. For example, there is a discussions even on the 6 normal forms. जरी अप टू 5th नॉर्मल फॉर्म जरी स्टडी मध्ये आतापर्यंत असले, तरी पण तुमच्या सिलेबस मध्ये 1, 2, 3 and BCNFच आहेत. Okay. However, it most practical application normalizations achieve the best in a third normal form. Third normal form पर्यंत most of the organizations जे काही rules आहेत normalizationचे ते apply करतात. The evaluation of normalization in a SQL theories is illustrated below. त्याच्यामध्ये पहिल्यांदा आपण काय करतो, फर्स्ट NF आणि what we are going to do in first NF. A relation in first NF, if it contains the atomic value, then that form is called as that table is called as the first NF. Suppose table आहे आणि त्या टेबल मधले सगळे जे कॉलम्स आहेत, if a relation in the first a relation is in a first NF, we may call as a first NF if it contains the atomic values. Okay, जो आपण आता कन्सेप्ट बघितला ना, atomic values, indivisible records. then it's called as the first NF form. Then second NF, a relation will be in second NF if it is in the first NF first, and all non-key attributes are fully functional dependent on the primary key. Don't worry, आपण हे सगळे concept बघणार आहोत. Third NF, a relation will be in a 3NF if it is in a second NF first and no transition dependency exists. Fourth NF, a relation will be in a fourth NF if it is in a bytecode normal form and has a no multi-value dependency, as well as the fifth NF. A relation in the fifth NF, it first in fourth NF and not contains a joint dependency. Okay. Let's see the first NF first. First normal form. A relation will be first NF if it contains an atomic values. Now everyone should know the concept of the atomic domain. Then and then you can able to understand the concept of the first NF. A relation will be first NF if it contains the atomic value. It states that the attributes of the table cannot hold multiple values. It must hold only single value attribute. जसं मी आता तुम्हाला फोन नंबरचा एक्झाम्पल दिलं स्टुडंट रेकॉर्ड्स मध्ये, इट मे कंटेन द मल्टिपल values, but if you want to convert our table into first NF, that relation will be contains the atomic value. That is nothing, it must only a single value attribute. And first normal form disallow the multi-valued attribute, composite attributes and their combinations too. Simply एक atomic values पाहिजे each and every attribute त्यामधले, आणि मल्टी व्हॅल्यू attributes पण अलाउ करत नाही फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म मध्ये. Okay, let's see the example how to convert the normal table into the first NF. See, over here the employee table is present. Look into the screen. In that employee table, which includes the attributes employee ID, employee name, employee phone number, as well as the employee state. Okay, in employee ID is given, name is, it's okay. Now employee phone number, it may contain more than 2 value, as well as the employee state. So relation employee is not in the first NF because of the multi-value attribute employee phone. Now, whatever is the table is given, we have to convert into the first NF. So after applying the rules, the decomposition of the employee table into the first NF has been shown below. Just we have to give the single value. That means we are that's not mean that we have to miss some data. No, it's not like that. See over here, there are total how many for employee ID are 3, and in that 2 records 14 and 12 having the 2 phone numbers. So just for each value apply the one extra record, that is the 12 John and the one phone number. Again we are adding the one more record for the 14th employee. See, so applying the rule, of first NF, we are converting our normal records means into the first NF. Okay. Yes, hope so. You are getting the concept of the first NF, normalization, atomic values, atomic domains, features of good relation designs. Okay. Today we will stop here only. Is there any doubt? Any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Attendance, please. A division first. Roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5, 6,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Yes, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10, roll number 8, 10, absent. 11, 12,
Hello.
yes,
10 present, ma'am.
okay. 11, 12, roll number 8, 12, 13,
Yes, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Yes, ma'am.
16,
Yes, ma'am.
17,
Yes, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19, 20,
Present, ma'am.
21, 22, 22, 23,
Present, ma'am.
24, 24, 25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Yes, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28, 28. One more thing, जे काही नेक्स्ट सेशन असेल ए और बी डिव्हिजन तुमची युनिट टेस्ट असेल, युनिट टेस्ट 4. सो बी प्रिपेअर फॉर द सेम.
Okay, ma'am.
29, roll number A29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Yes, ma'am.
31, 31,
Yes, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34, 34, 35, 36, 36, 37,
Present.
38, 38, 39,
Yes, ma'am.
40,
Yes, ma'am.
41, 41, 42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Present,
44,
yes, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Yes, ma'am.
47, 47 roll number. 48. 48. 49. 50. 51. 51. Dhanraj Bhosle, are you there? 52. 52, roll number A, 52. $53.
Yes, madam.
54. 55.
Yes, madam.
56.
55. Yes, madam.
Yes, 56. 57.
Yes, madam.
58. 58. 59. 59.
Present.
60. 60. 61.
Yes, madam.
62. 63.
Ma'am, present.
64. 64. 65.
Yes, madam.
66.
Yes, madam.
67. 67. 68.
Yes, madam.
69.
Yes, madam.
70. 70. 71.
Yes, madam, present.
72. So absent numbers for A division 5, 11, 12, 21, 22, 24, 28, 34, 36, 38, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52.
Present, ma'am.
Attendance नाही दिली. 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 67, 70 and 72.
Ma'am, 35.
Yes, you are present. Is there anyone remaining? Now, B division. 1,
Present.
2,
Present.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Yes, ma'am.
5,
Present.
6,
Present.
7, 8,
Present.
9, 10,
Present.
11,
Present.
12,
Present.
13,
Present.
14,
Present.
15,
Present.
16,
Present.
17,
Present.
18,
Present. Present.
19,
Present.
20,
Present.
21,
Yes, ma'am.
22,
Present.
23,
Present.
24,
Present.
25,
Present.
26,
Present.
27,
Present.
28,
Present, ma'am.
29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present.
31, 31, 32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present.
35,
Present.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37, 37, 38,
Present.
39,
Present.
40,
Present.
41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 44,
Present.
45, 45, 46,
Present.
47,
Present, madam.
48, 48, 49, 50,
Present.
51, 51, 52,
Present, ma'am.
52,
Present, ma'am.
You are from A or B division?
B division, ma'am.
Okay. 53, 53, 54,
Yes, madam.
55, 55, 56,
Present.
57, 57, 58,
Present.
59,
Present, ma'am.
60, 59, 60,
Yes, madam.
61,
61 present, ma'am.
62, 62, 63,
Yes, ma'am.
64, 64, 65, 66, 67,
Present, ma'am.
68, 68, 69,
Present, ma'am.
70,
Yes, ma'am. 78 division.
बी डिवीजन ची प्रेझेंट झाली. ठीक आहे. 70 बी डिव्हिजन, 71, okay. Absent numbers, B division, 9, 31,
Present, ma'am.
B division 9 present,
Yes, ma'am.
31, 37, 41, 42, 43, 45, 48, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 62, 64, 65, 66, 68, 70 and 71. Okay.
31, ma'am.
Okay. B division, na? Okay, fine.
Hi, sir.
Is there anyone remaining?
A 70. Mark Kelly
Yes.
present.
Yes, I mark.
A60.
A60. Okay. Yes, anyone? Okay. Thank you.